think of it like a muscle. You have to train it, right? How many of you could drop and do 20 sit-ups right now? Okay? My son did 107 push-ups the other day. He just turned 5. No joke.
Olympics?
No joke.
Did you bet him?
So that's willpower. I know how to encourage him. I go, don't do any more. He'll do 10 more. Stop. So I know how to motivate him to do that. But what I'm trying to get at is that you need to find your internal motivation. Because when you leave our hallowed halls, it will be very difficult to find people to motivate you. The external motivation factor is not really out there. You need to have it inside. You need to drive the bus. You need to drive your bus. Okay? So I see a lot of people sitting in passenger seats, not being proactive, not engaging in the work, kind of getting through it. And I understand that cooking is not for everybody. But I have to be honest with you. I don't really see this as a cooking class. I don't. We use food to teach about life and getting great habits and skills that's going to make you successful. It doesn't matter what industry you're going to be in, right? You need to be organized. You need to practice your leadership. You need teamwork. You need organization. Okay? So these are opportunities to practice them within the discipline of the kitchen. What I would love to see as your swan song, your last piece when you leave here, you have one event left. One event. I would like to see what it looks like when all of you are your best. You bring your best self into whatever you're doing. Okay? Not some of you, not 80%, not 90%, all of it. Let's try and see what that looks like. Let's see what that feels like. Because I sometimes feel like there's this myth in your generation where you feel like you can't do that all the time. And that's simply not true. It's a disservice to you. To think that you only have so much to give is a myth. Let's use this last event as a test. Okay? Leave it all on the field. What we're going to do now is Mark is going to